I'm Shelly Turner, and I want to welcome you to Builderall. In this video, I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to go through as a brand new affiliate, starting with signing up. So the first step is to sign up, and our most popular funnel is the 7-day free trial. So I'm going to show you how to sign up using the 7-day free trial. So the first step is to click Start Your 7 Days Free Now. And it comes up to a registration window, and you'll need to put your name, email, and a password in there to get started. Once you fill everything out, just click Get Started Now. Once you register for a new account, it gives you the opportunity to activate your account within 24 hours and get the mega bonus. If you're interested, you can click Yes, I want to receive my mega bonus. If you want to just go to the dashboard, you just scroll all the way down to the bottom and you choose No Thank You. I'm going to click this button and go straight to the platform. And that's how a new person signs up for an account in Builderall for the 7-day free trial. Also remember that right here you'll have a countdown timer that will remind you how much time you have left to be able to get the mega bonus. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to sign up as an affiliate with your new 7-day free trial. To do that, you're going to go to affiliates.builderall.com. So I'm on affiliates.builderall.com, and I'm going to scroll down until I see a button, and right below the button it says click here to unlock the affiliate module. So I'm going to go ahead and click right there where it says click here, and now I've actually, if you see at the top, I've got affiliate success enabled. So that actually logged me automatically in and upgraded me to affiliate status. If you're not logged into Builderall, it will give you a login screen, and all you need to do is use the same credentials, the login username and password that you use for Builderall, and that will activate your affiliate account as well. So I now have access to the resources to be an affiliate, and I started my 7-day free trial with Builderall. The next step is to make sure that you got a mailing boss list so you can send your leads into your mailing boss list. To check that, you're going to go to Mailing Boss right here, and then you're going to click Access Mailing Boss. And the first time that you go through Mailing Boss, you have to register your Mailing Boss account. So you need to make sure to put a first name and a last name, and then click Next. And then you need to put the name of your business, your website, default sending email address, and default reply to email address. Once you fill that information out, click Next. And now you're going to put your business address, including the physical address, the city, the state, and the zip code, and also the country. Once you have your complete business address filled out, click Next. And that registers you for Mailing Boss. And the next step is to create a new subscriber list. So right here, we're going to go ahead and name our subscriber list. So I've got a name, a display name, and a description. Now I'm going to click Continue. And it repeats some of the information that I have, but the next thing I need to do is make sure that my opt-in is double in and my opt-out is double out, and then I can click Next. And now I need to choose the custom fields that I want for my subscriber list, and I want the email field and I want the first name field. So this is the information that I'll be capturing for my subscriber list. I'm going to scroll down and click Save Changes. This is the subscribe confirm email. I'm going to do Save and Next. Then the pending subscribe page, I'll click Save and Next. The unsubscribe confirm email, I'll click Save and Next. And the welcome email, I'll click Save and Next. And now I'm back to my subscriber list overview page. And I'm going to make sure in the fields area, I'm going to click that and make sure that I have the email and the first name. And I'm going to flip-flop the order to make sure they show in the exact order I want them to. So for email, I'm going to choose a sort order of 2. And for first name, I'm going to choose a sort order of 1. And then I'm going to make sure for the first name that it is a required field. So I'm going to change this to yes. And then I'm going to click Save Changes. And now all my changes have been saved, and I have a subscriber list ready in Mailing Boss. And now I can connect it so that any new leads that I get in the system will be sent directly to this Mailing Boss subscriber list. So I'm going to go back into my dashboard and connect my leads to this list. So I'm back on the Builderall dashboard, and I'm going to go to the Builderall business area, and I'm going to go to your leads. I don't have any leads yet, so I'm going to choose options, and I'm going to go to save email list. And from here, I'm going to click the down arrow, and I'm going to choose the Builderall leads subscriber list that I just created in Mailing Boss, and then I'm going to click save. And now any new leads that I get in the system, whether they're free trials or whether they're paid leads, they will come in and they'll automatically go into my Mailing Boss list, so I can choose to set up an email sequence, or I can send them individual regular emails anytime I want to. The next step is to edit your profile information. So I'm going to go up here to the top right hand side, and I'm going to click my name, and then I'm going to go to account info. And from this screen, I can see several things. I can see the email that I used to sign up. I can see my next expiration date. And if I'm paying by credit card, this will automatically update the next time I have a charge to my credit card. We have a field here called WhatsApp phone. And if you click select, it allows you to select the country that you're from, and then you can type in your phone number. This is actually really important to update, because this will give your sponsor the ability to contact you through WhatsApp. You can download the WhatsApp application for free, either on the Google Play Store or on the Apple App Store. You also have the ability to look at your invoices and your user log. You also have the ability to delete your account, but if you do this, it's permanent and support cannot reactivate your account if you choose delete. So be very careful if you're choosing to delete your account, and make sure that's exactly what you want to do. The next thing I want you to look at is your profile picture. You can click the little edit button here, and when you do, it will take you to Gravatar, where you can go through the settings to be able to set up your avatar or the picture of you or the image of you that you want to use for your dashboard. If you've already got an avatar account, you can sign in. If you do not have a Gravatar account, you can create your own Gravatar. Once you go through the entire setup and you choose the image that you want to use, it will update in your dashboard. It typically takes a couple of hours for it to update completely. The next area I want to show you is in the tags area right here. So I'm going to click that. And in this area, you've got the ability to put more information about yourself. You can put your first name and your last name. You can put your Skype ID, your WeChat information, your phone number, your WhatsApp information, and you've got additional information to put in there, including your Mailing Boss from name, your Mailing Boss email, and your Mailing Boss reply to email. You can add your Facebook profile information, and then you've also got the ability to put your physical mailing address into your profile. My suggestion is complete that as much as possible, because your sponsor above you can actually use this information to contact you to be able to send you information about their team and about Builderall. Once you've made any changes to this area, you just click the save button and it will save everything that you've changed. To find out who your sponsor is, just click Builderall Business and then scroll down, and it will show you exactly who your sponsor is. If you want to send them a message, just click drop a message and it will send them a message straight to their dashboard. To get your affiliate links to start promoting Builderall, you're going to go to the Builderall Business section and you're going to go to Affiliate Funnels. When you click in that area, you'll see that there's several funnels that are showing. The most popular is the 7-day free trial. To get your link for that funnel, you'll just find the area that says link for the home page, and you can click right on it and it copies that link, and you can start using it and sharing it immediately. You have the ability to connect a domain to make that link more professional, and to do that you can click here where it says connect domain, and here you can purchase a domain directly from Builderall, or you can point a domain that already exists at a different registrar towards Builderall, and you can use that domain for your affiliate links to make it look more professional. Whichever you choose, just be sure to follow the instructions that are listed right here on this page, and be sure to contact support if you have any questions or issues. If you do choose to connect a domain, you'll then see that the email button is no longer grayed out, and you can use that button to create your professional emails using the domain that you just connected. If you're using one of the long URLs for your affiliate link, you can decide to shorten it by using the Use Shorten URL. Just click that, paste the long URL in there, and click Send. And it will give you a much shorter URL that you can use to share the 7-day free trial or any other affiliate funnel. The next step is to get more information on traffic, to be able to drive traffic to your funnels. So to find more information about that, we're going to go back to the main page of the Builderall dashboard. So I'm going to click the octopus up here. That takes me to the main page, and then I'm going to click Quick Start. And on Quick Start, you've got several different areas that you can take a look at, including information on building a leveraged affiliate business, information on skyrocketing a business that you already have, and information about starting a business from scratch. We're going to look at traffic methods for a leveraged affiliate business. So we're going to click number 1. And then in this category, we're looking specifically for traffic. So I'm going to find lesson 5, how to bring traffic to your funnels, and I'm going to click that. And in this area, you're going to find information about how to drive traffic to your affiliate marketing funnels, including the 7-day free trial. So you'll find out more information about Facebook organic marketing, YouTube organic marketing, how to buy solo ads, how to buy Instagram ads, how to buy Facebook ads, and how to buy YouTube ads. After you started sharing your affiliate link, the next step is to start learning about how to use the tools inside of Builderall. To do that, there's a few places you can go on your Builderall dashboard. From the Builderall dashboard, you can choose tutorials and training video on the left-hand side. And from here, you can choose to take a look at tutorials, which are short videos on a specific topic, or you can look at training, which is longer videos and sometimes a series of videos on a specific area of Builderall. You also have the option to choose boot camps, which are 7-day trainings on specific areas of Builderall, including chatbots, sales funnels, and much more. And then you can also choose Quick Start, which focuses on either being a leveraged affiliate, growing a business that you already own, or starting a business from scratch. If you need support, just go down on the left-hand side to the very bottom and click the word support, and that will take you to the support page where you can choose one of these items that exist, or if your issue is not listed, you can choose other problems. And then from here, you can either submit a ticket, or you can use the live chat on the bottom right-hand side, and you can get in touch with a live support agent that can help you resolve your issue with Builderall. When you're ready to upgrade to a paid plan, all you need to do is go up to the very top of the dashboard and click Change Your Plan, and you choose the country that you're in, and then choose which plan you want to upgrade to. Just click the Buy Now button and then go through the payment process, and you'll be upgraded in Builderall. This has been an overview of how you get started as an affiliate inside of Builderall.